Asa kita? I'll give you an update. Asa kita?
We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 115 cluster presence for the candidates therein for members sa Sangguniang Panglungsod in the election held on May 12, 2025. Starting with number of votes garnered, 44,980. Konsehal Lagahit Jason. Second placer, number of votes garnered, 36,028. Our winning candidate, Chesa Sagarbaria. Third placer, number of votes garnered, 35,114. Konsehal Aping Córdoba. Fourth placer, number of votes garnered, 30,350. Konsehal GB Ito. Now, for the fifth placer, number of votes garnered, 29,727. City Councilor Uttam Akiling. Sixth placer, number of votes garnered, 28,500. City Councilor Bernice Acenas Elmaco. For the seventh placer, number of votes garnered, 28,225. Konsehal Franklin Esmeña. For the eighth placer, number of votes garnered, 27,854. Konsehal Ray Lendon Lawas. We will now proceed with ninth placer. Number of votes garnered, 27,621. Konsehal Renz Machon. For the 10th placer, number of votes garnered, 27,214. Honorable Konsehal Tony Renz Humolio.
Pag-asa.
Certificate of canvass of voter votes and proclamation of winning candidate for Vice Mayor. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 115 clustered precincts for the candidates herein for Vice Mayor in the election held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precincts garnered by each candidate for the office of Vice Mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Alviola is loud, votes for the office of Vice Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected Vice Mayor of Negros Oriental, City of Dumaguete, Province of Negros Oriental.
For mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. That after such canvass, it appears that sa Garbaria, Chiquiting, garnered the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for the said office in the city of Dumaguete, province of Negros Oriental, this May 2025 at 11:50 p.m. So congratulations.
When people will say, I don't like you anymore. Ay, number one, can't change it anymore. When I was the mayor, we paid the two here. I was still the mayor then. City of the public market. As of now, I don't think so. City, not that I know of. Not that I know. Depends. It depends. If you have the market, and you public market, then it depends. You have the market. I haven't seen it's not how much money the city has. So absolutely zero. How young are you, sir? 68 years old. So, I'm still not for the next election. We will see. God willing. The final judgment comes from upstairs. The whole campaign season, the investment. Once, it will go back, but as I always said, the last judgment will be up above, no? The judgment was rendered. I'm now the mayor. The proclaimed mayor here in the city. It's a record the entire family. Huh? It's a record the entire family. First time. The province of Negros. Wow. What does it mean? Huh? What does it mean? Because we public service. All the people. All I guess the interest. All for the
celebration from
Huh?
celebrations last family celebrations.
Oh, you born out there in Arizona? Yeah. Imani, ang progress makita sa tanan. Dumagitin nyo. Murag, na-adjud akong tao sa tanan. Congratulations pa, and God bless. Natong tanan.
Samsat, Sarel.
Nice one, folks. siya malitaran. Kedua, akong amahan, ako igsoon na siya, natuod sa kakahiran, mga condition sa kaya sa Dumaguete. Especially niya sa tanang katawan sa Dumaguete, na gihatagan kong mandato para magserbisyo kanila. Daghan kayo salamat.
Sabi niya, naguna ni mong ordinance.
Sana akong ordinance na ako kung i-plano nyo kayo ang atong City Sports Development Program, atong i-institutionalize atong sports program development sa Dumaguete para makita nyo na ito ang development sa sports din sa Dakbayan sa Dumaguete.
So you want ang mga players ni Dinis Dakbayan sa Dumaguete ma-enhance yun ang ilang abilidad?
Ma-enhance from grassroots level santo na santo. We'll start on the grassroots level para makaproduce lang mga homegrown talents. Ato yung ipadala sa kauluhan ka na dito ang dagko kay universidad na makagrant sila mga scholarship or makahimo ta po og laing Calvin Oftana and Jerome Lasimo sa PBA po. Mula atong damgo.
So aside from sports, what are your other priorities?
Education.
What's in education?
Kaya kato kong amahan mo ko, nagpanday sa balalo na itong 1995 City Scholarship Program. Pero sadto sa ina, pagka-perde niya konsyal atong 2016, ila po itong giwala ang ordinansa itong City Scholarship Program where ang syudad may mubayad full tuition fee, books and uniform allowance, mupili atong estudyante sa apat kay universidad sa Dakbayan sa Dumaguete. Ato yun ang panigamutan na mabalik nato na ordinansa kay dako dyan kay katabang dato makabataan kabus na gusto mo eskwela mahuman o college.
Okay, no? Kini mo sa mga palaran nga mananaog sa usa ka bukro ngayon. Ako yun atong kalipay uban sa dako pagpasalamat sa katawhan sa lalawigan sa Negros Oriental. Igon man dili sa Dakbayan sa Dumaguete, no? Kita na to nga katawhan inatagla sa ilang desisyon. So takos og angay na to sa kasarapatan o kana ugdian na to og serbisyo. Kay mamay tuyong tubong na magpapili ta sa bugnong lugar nun sa tumong tinguha na makaserti to sa katawhan. In fact, sa kasama ko katermina sa probinsya, na ako'y 8 o 7 ka ordinansa. Siyam ka mga dagko nga mga resolutions nga ato i-delete na to sa lawigan sa Negros. Tungod kay doon na pa man panahon, so ato pa man gumagan, no? Kay panalagan ko din atong itinguha na mapapili ta karong election. So dagan kay salamat.
This will be your last term?
No, second term.
What's the plan for the second term?
Actually, napatay mga mission karon nga nasa legislative pipeline sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan. 5 pa na siya ka mission karon nga ato i-prepare. Although pasar na siya sa unang pagbasa, so ubanihan na umana sa committee. So tungod kay nag-election ta, so nahulong pa siya. So i-resume na ko na kapag sunod na terminal.
Can I echo part
Yeah.
of ordinance?
Ordinance sa pagkatawang
Masagar na.
provincial,
Tamlang board.
dairy farm,
Tamlang.
Tamlang Valley,
Masagar na.
Development Council, ako ko lang pagkamutan nga ako yung malibilap pala Tamlang Valley. Kaya ako kaya nasa potential para sa ito agriculture sa Negros Oriental.